Do you want to know how you can log into your lowest credit card account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your lowest credit card account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google, and in the Google search bar, search for lowest credit card login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Lowest. Wait for a while and you can see that this page will load up. Now to sign in or log into your Lowest account, go ahead and click sign in, which you can see over here. What you need to do is click sign in again, and it will lead you to this login portal where you can see there is option of email address and password. So go ahead and write down your email address which you have registered with Lowest, and then write down your password as well. Then click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Lowest credit card account. You can click remember me if you want your browser to remember yourself, and then you can click forgot password in case you have forgotten your password. You can also sign in with one-time passcode and sign in and convert your account as well. So if you want to convert your personal account to Lowest business account, this is the link for you. If you still don't have a Lowest account, click create account, and then you will have a Lowest credit card account for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.